Good morning everybody. Standard 8 subject science chapter 3 है synthetic fibers and plastic. Next question है what can you do reduce the use of plastic? The following things are to be kept to mind to reduce the use of plastic. Number 1 है whenever going to market to purchase some things we must carry a cloth bag instead of plastic bag with us. Number 2 if anything made of plastic gets damaged and it is repairable, then instead of buying a new one must get the old repaired. Number 3 instead of throwing away plastic things we must sell it to junk vendors so that it can be recycled again and can be reused. Number 7 write disadvantages of plastics. Number 1 है plastic are non biodegradable. नंबर 2 है प्लास्टिक्स कोज एनवायरमेंट पॉल्यूशन एज टेक several years to decompose. नंबर 3 है द फूड आइटम्स वाटर एंड अदर लिक्विड स्टोर इन प्लास्टिक कंटेनर्स आर हार्मफुल फॉर ह्यूमन हेल्थ. नंबर 4 है व्हेन द प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मटेरियल बर्न दे कैन बर्न वेरी स्लो दे डू नॉट गेट कम्प्लीटली बर्न. Number 5 in the burning process they release lots of poisonous fumes into the atmosphere causing air pollution. Activity number 1 to taste the smells of cotton, wool, silk and nylon fibers, apparatus and materials, iron stand, palladium, clamp, weights, cotton, thread. नंबर 1 है प्रोसीड्यूर. नंबर 1 टेक थ्रेड 60 centimeter long and of same thickness of cotton, wool, silk and nylon. Number 2 take an iron stand with a clamp. Number 3 tie a 60 centimeter length of cotton and hang it from a clamp. At the free end of the thread tie a small pan. Number 5 add weights one by one to the pan. Number 6 note down the total weight when the cotton thread breaks. This weight indicates the strength of the cotton thread. Number 7 है repeat the same activity with threads of wool, silk and nylon. Observation है tabulate the data as shown under the table. Types of thread and total weight required to break the thread. Cotton तो less than the silk thread. Wool lowest weight and silk greater than cotton thread. And nylon का आएगा maximum weight. Conclusion strength of thread in increasing order. Wool, cotton, silk, nylon. Activity number 2 to compare the water absorbing capacity of cloth piece made from natural and synthetic fibers. Apparatus and materials cloth pieces of same size of nylon and cotton 1.5 meter multiply 1 meter 2 mugs water. Take equal amount of water in 2 mugs of the same size. Soak the piece of cotton into one mug and piece of nylon into another mug. Number 2 है take both cloth piece out of the mugs after 5 minutes and spread that the sun for a few minutes. Number 3 compare the amount of water left in each mug. Observation the mug that had the cotton cloth soak in it has lesser amount of water than the one in which the nylon cloth was soaked. Conclusion आएगा synthetic fibers absorb very little water as compared to natural fiber. Activity plastic is a bad conductor of heat. Apparatus material spoon of metal, spoon of plastic, glass beaker, wire, gauze and tripod burner. Procedure आएगा take some amount of water in glass beaker and heat it with burner. Number 2 put a spoon of metal and a spoon of plastic in it for some time. Number 3 note the effect on the somber art of the options. Observation आएगा the spoon of metal it appears hot, the spoon of plastic does not become hot. Conclusion आएगा plastic is a bad conductor of heat. अभी नेक्स्ट है इसके जो चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो करवाती हूँ जो आपको करने हैं. विच सिंथेटिक फाइबर इज यूज एज वूल. नंबर ए आएगा एक्रिलिक, बी रेयन, सी नायलॉन, डी टेरिलिन। तो इसका आंसर आएगा ए, एक्रिलिक। नंबर 2 है पॉलीमर इज मेड ऑफ स्मॉल यूनिट्स, व्हाट इट इज़ कोल्ड। तो इसका आंसर आएगा, इसके ऑप्शन पहले बता देती हूँ, मेलिक्यूल, बिसेल, मोनोमर एंड डी लेयर। तो आंसर आएगा सी, मोनोमर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नेचुरल फाइबर? तो नायलॉन, पीवीसी, पॉलीथीन, वूल। तो आंसर आएगा इसका डी, वूल। अभी विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल? तो आंसर है ए, प्लास्टिक, बी, कॉटन क्लॉथ, सी, पेपर, डी, वुड। तो आंसर आएगा इसका आपका ए, प्लास्टिक। नंबर 5, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लांट नेचुरल फाइबर? ए, वूल, बी, रेयन, सी, कॉटन, डी, सिल्क। तो आंसर आएगा सी, कॉटन। अभी आपको यहाँ जो डिफाइन दिए हैं वो मैं करवा देती हूँ। नंबर 1 है एक्रिलिक। These fibers resemble natural wool. They are highly durable and affordable. Number 2, artificial silk. Artificial silk means rayon is made from wool pulp. Rayon fibers have properties similar to that of silk. Number 3 है nylon. Nylon was the first fully synthetic fiber made from coal, water and air. Next number 3 है plastic. Plastic is also a polymer. Like synthetic fiber, the arrangement of units are linear or cross-linked. Number 5 है polyester. Synthetic fiber, these fibers do not get wrinkled and easy to wash. Number 6 है polymer. Greek word poly meaning many and mer meaning part, unit. A polymer is made of many repeating units. Polythene. Polythene, it is a thermoplastic used to make toys and comb. Number 8, rayon, it is known as artificial silk. Number 9, synthetic fibers, these are man-made fibers. Number 10, terylene, it is a popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn. Number 11, thermoplastics. It gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily. Number 12 है thermosetting plastic. Bent molded ones cannot be softened by heating. ये आपकी छोटी छोटी डिफाइन थी वो मैंने आपको करवा दी, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन करवा दिया, 1 वर्ड आंसर करवा दिया, शॉर्ट आंसर भी करवा दिया और डिटेल भी करवा दिया, मैथ द फॉलोइंग भी करवा दिया। ये आपको क्या करना है, क्लास वर्क की बुक में और नोटवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और लर्न करना है। यहाँ पे ये चैप्टर भी आपका 3rd चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है, ये आपको लर्न भी करना है। थैंक यू।